What?
What's up?
What?
I just came in to see what all the laughter was about.
Well, you better pack your bags. That's all I gotta say. You're going to Jellyfish's house.
Have you told him that now?
We're donating you.
You're donating me.
Yeah, you and your damn spies. Pack you up. And...
Here's your constellation prize.
Did you
Mr.
use
Jellyfish.
one of those pictures that I gave you?
I haven't made the video yet.
Oh, jellyfish?
The jellyfish.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
May I join you?
Sure, absolutely.
I'm getting ready to leave.
Thanks a lot, Nate. You make me feel so wonderful.
What? We're going to give you a free trip.
All the way to Cape Cod.
All the way to Cape Cod. And you can eat all the oysters you want, or whatever he harvests.
Oysters.
Oysters, see?
Just kidding, we're not sending her?
He's still thinking about it.
The decision hasn't been made yet.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Depends on how he reacts to our response to his calling you a stiff.
I don't care.
You
You
don't
call
care.
me a stiff.
He's only doing it in fun.
Well, I don't think it's funny.
Well, you need to tell him that when he gets to the end of his thing.
No,
it
I
says,
figured you'd tell him that as soon as you show up on his doorstep.
Dave was not happy. Look what he sent.
Nemo's got a message for you when she gets there. From Stiff Dave. Let's see what he says. That'd be funny. And show you with your coat and suitcases and your cat under your arm.
And her spies.
And her spies.
Well, she's got that picture to base it on. You can,
Yeah, but it's got us in it, so.
well, she can doctor that up. Put a spy in your place.
Yeah, well, I wonder if I still have the original that has all the
I
layers.
still think it'd be better if
In
you
it.
had your coat and the suitcase and your cat and your spies. And
Yeah, we need an updated picture of you.
We're leaving for the airport. Be there in a day or two.
Send her to Cape Cod.
Headed for Cape Cod. Cape Cod or bust.
There you go. We'll make you a sign.
Make you a sign. Go.
I'll take a picture of you out here on the road.
Yeah, we're gonna go live with the leader of our group.
We're off to go to It Won't Grow. Maybe we should send her garden with her.
Yeah, there you go. Now we're standing there, a suitcase and a cat, and her garden in her hand. I'm headed there. I'll be there
I'm
in a
coming,
little
John.
while.
I'm a coming, jellyfish. Hold on.
MeMaw to save the day. Make peace in the clan. All
Big
walking.
parade.
Did you see those? It's like Jesus. We ain't God all day. It's only 40 feet. Come on. You know, it's like, we're gonna get him. You know, oh, give me a break. I'm gonna take him out behind the shed and kick his ass. Yes, I am. Who is it again? Oh, yeah, that guy.
He looks like the old man on Dunham's show.
Oh,
The one I just posted about the Biden speech, gave the Biden speech.
yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah.
saw
That guy.
that one.
What's his name? I can't remember.
Jeff Dunham.
Walter?
No, Walter.
Walter.
That's the old man.
Suggestion.
No.
Mom, do you want to tell him your suggestion or do you want me to tell him? I'm in my office. Why aren't you here?
Well, I was thinking
Okay.
that if we got you a train set,
Oh, what? Okay.
you could rig up a platform for Tappy's bed and a timer so that the bed could be moved to keep up with the sunbeam.
Yeah, in the middle of the kitchen.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be a good place.
Well, we're already having to watch out tripping over her bed.
Well, evidently that's not working real well, is it?
No. Well, you tripped over her, not over the bed. She ran right in front of your feet. So,
Oh,
you don't think that's a good idea?
No.
Well, then can we put a bell outside so that when her bed needs to be moved, we can ring the bell?
Why can't you two people move it?
It's more fun to ring the bell than have you move it.
You better pack your bags because you're going to New England.
Bye now. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button and make a comment.